We are Alkyon, a major European market player in the field of ventilation cleaning. We can handle any big project. We have a team of professional employees, production plant, shopping center, cruise ships. We can manage not only all these environments without difficulty, but certainly also yours. We build on open communication. Every order and every project is planned very carefully. Your needs are our first priority. Thanks to the project management skills of our 5 teams, we are able to adapt effectively. We have a unique proposition that others cannot offer. Extensive technical background, a diverse and broad range of special equipment, sophisticated logistics, a large fleet. These are the basis of our success. Whatever your individual requirements may be, we can develop or alter our technology accordingly. Your needs are our priority. Your satisfaction is our reward. We produce our own fresh, food-grade dry ice. We efficiently utilize it for our ventilation cleaning, but also supply our clients with it. We manage the entire spectrum of the various ventilation and duct systems. We use state-of-the-art technologies, our own version of dry ice blasting robots, powerful rotating brushes, highly efficient disinfection applications, and our powerful extraction device sucking in remove debris with integrated filtration. We develop, build, test, improve. Our technologies constructed by our top in-house engineers and technicians are put to the test frequently and in the real environment. Our technology is among the world's best. We leave nothing to chance. Safety is our top priority. We have certified climbers in our teams. We provide regular training for working in heights and in controlling all the related equipment. We also cooperate with Czech universities. Together we create high quality and professionally new machine designs. We improve their properties and we create innovative visions for the future in ventilation cleaning. In 2009, Luděk Petrilák and his son Dalimil founded the company Alkyon. Family atmosphere and trust determine the character of our company, even today, when we count more than 30 employees. Our philosophy of exploring alternative or adaptive methods and practices has led to many new and successful results and will continue to pave our way forward.